1. Nikon D3500. This DSLR from Nikon is packed with a battery which lasts for 1,550 images, shoots between charges, and a 24MP sensor which give a marvelous image quality. There is also the guide mode which will help the first-time user to explore all the key features in the camera. Two. Nikon D3400. This D3500 has a perfect fit features for beginners. This camera is packed with a long battery life and a 24MP sensor that will improve your image's quality. It also features full HD video to 60p and 5fps burst of shooting, and a wireless connectivity via Bluetooth. 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7i. US Canon EOS 800D outside of US. This EOS Rebel T7i is also known as EOS 800D outside the US market. This camera is packed with a 24.2MP sensor, the Rebel T7i's autofocus with a 45-point arrangement which is backed up by excellent live view AF system. Four. Nikon D5600. This camera comes with a stronger set of specs such as a larger LCD screen which also responds to touch, a more advanced autofocus system, Wi-Fi, and a healthy range of additional control on the inside. However, you have to remember that those features also come with price. 5. Canon EOS Rebel T6i. US Canon EOS 750D outside of US. This Canon EOS Rebel T6i is also known as Canon EOS 750D outside the US market. This camera also shares the same resolution with the previous EOS Rebel T7i 800D. This Canon EOS is also complete with up-to-date dual-pixel CMOS AF system which is perfect for beginners. 6. Nikon D5300. This Nikon D5300 shares the same 24.2MP sensor with the D5500, but the D5300's EXPEED4 image processor and 39-point autofocus system also differentiate this camera with any other cameras on this list. It also complete with GPS system and 600 shot battery life.